how to add a video to your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a video to your Squarespace website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up your Squarespace website, your editor where you are editing it. So we can add different blogs to our website. So I have actually added a new section right here where I want to add a video. So simply click on the section and it will show you the option to add a block. Click on add block and then you have to go to video right here. Click on video. And now we have our video player given here. You have to click on this added option and now we have to add a video URL. So now you just have to go to your video and get a URL. So I'm gonna go to the channel and I will get a URL of one of the videos that I want to add to the website. Once you copy it, then all you have to do is just paste it right here and it will search the video from YouTube for you and it is successfully located. You can also add a custom thumbnail if you like, or if you want to go with a video thumbnail that you already have, you can go with that one. And then we also get the caption option. So I'm gonna go ahead and for now just turn off the captions. We're good to go. The video has been added. And that's how you do it. Now I can just go back and place it in the middle right here where it will look good. So there you go. We have added a video to our Squarespace website within seconds. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to add a video to your Squarespace website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.